Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and use mods for Minecraft Pocket Edition. And now without further ado, let's begin with the video. So firstly, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store or the Play Store and search for Blockmaster for Minecraft P. After you do that, select and install it and open the application. So once you're in the application, you'll see a ton of options, but what you want to choose is the add-ons option. And once you're in the add-ons option, there'll be a ton of mods that you can see and download. And now I'm just going to quickly select a mod that I want to download, and I'm going to show you guys how to install and use it in Minecraft. So I want to install the laser gun mod. So what I'm going to do is click on install add-on. I'm just going to close the ad and click on play Minecraft. Alright, now that we're in Minecraft, what you want to do is go into your settings and scroll all the way down till you hit global resources, and in global resources just click on my packs and click on the mod that you have downloaded and click on activate. Once you do that, you can go ahead and exit from the settings. Now what you want to do is click on the pencil right next to the world that you want to play in and go ahead into the behavior pack section, and then in the behaviors pack section just click on activate packs, and over there you can choose the mod that you have downloaded and click on activate. Now remember that this is a really important step, and if you do not do this, the mod will not work whatsoever. Alright, so the world has just finished loading, and now I'm just going to check my inventory, and as you guys can see, so the laser gun has been added. I'm just going to try it out for now, and this is complete proof that it works, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Now goodbye.